Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to the Backyard Bounty Garden channel. Today, I'm going to be harvesting my second potatoes. I'm going to be doing my second potato harvest. So, yeah, these bushy potatoes, if you remember, they are all gone down now, and you can see they're flopped. So they're ready. I don't know what I'm going to find down, but let's just find out together. Start with this. Okay. Not bad. We're gonna take this. Ooh, that's not bad. That's nice. These are baby potatoes, really. They're not that big. Very small. I don't understand. It's so small. Too small. You can't even find potato in the supermarket looking like that. It's okay. It's actually much better than the first one, if I may say. Okay. Then we go to the next one. Just going to... Ooh, this has done well. Okay, not perfect, but all right. Difficult to get that one. Look at that. But
Taking everything.
huh?
You're taking everything. From
Yeah,
all
everything.
six.
I'm going to harvest everything. Because they are.
A lot of potatoes.
Look at that. It's going to be a lot.
Why don't you take the big one that's dirty?
Hmm? I take what?
There's always a big one left there.
This one? This one?
Yeah, yeah.
No, that's the one that I actually planted, and somehow it multiplied, but it still stayed. That one is useless.
That one's used to make more potatoes.
Yeah, but it's completely dead now. That one. This one, yeah, I like. I'm even thinking, if I actually have it full, it'll be too much. Yeah, I think I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I think I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Potato. one. Okay. I think this particular growing bag did not do very badly. It did better than the other one. Some are not looking too. Okay, maybe I think I'm going to have this go. It's going to be too much. Okay, I'm just going to have it one more. But you know those ones are so dry. They're just so dry. Like, it's supposed to have this. Just feel like maybe I leave the one and I leave it. Better for them to stay in the ground than to be taken out and out. But the thing is they are overdue, you know. I left them for too long. Okay. One. Tiny, tiny, tiny. I think I will have to do this house another day. It'll be too many in the house. Too many. Yeah, okay. Some are not very good. We'll have to go. Some are good. You see, some are clean, nice. Yeah. So that's it. And so guys, these are the potatoes that I harvested for my 8 bags. Yeah. And some look a little bit, you know, but this is okay. It's still okay. Yeah. Some are smooth, some are rough, but it's fine. Okay? So, as the saying goes, I planted and I harvested. To God be the glory. Thank you guys for watching. God bless you.